Welcome to Dallas Chocolate Classes. I'm Chef Zach Townsend, and in this video I'll be showing you the recipe and method for making a phenomenal white chocolate mousse you can use for individual dessert servings or even as a filling for mousse cakes. First, let's prep all the ingredients. Premium white chocolate, unflavored powdered gelatin and cold water, egg yolk and confectioner's sugar, heavy whipping cream, sprinkle the gelatin over the water as evenly as possible so that it absorbs quickly. If it's going to be sitting for more than 5 minutes, cover it to prevent drying. Now divide the cream by placing 1/4 of it in a saucepan and the remaining in a mixing bowl. For this recipe, you can easily beat the cream by hand using a whisk. Place the mixing bowl in the refrigerator so the cream stays cold until needed. You can also chill the whisk if you want so that the cream will whip a bit faster. Place the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Place the confectioner's sugar and yolk together in a heat-proof bowl. Whisk until fully blended. Place the saucepan with the cream over medium heat just until hot. You'll see wisps of steam just begin to appear. Do not let it boil. Slowly pour all of the hot cream into the yolk sugar mixture while whisking constantly. Once the hot cream is fully incorporated, scrape the mixture back into the saucepan and place the pan over medium-low heat. Immediately start stirring and stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Once the spatula leaves a wide trail that slowly closes, the mixture is ready. Pour the hot mixture over the chocolate. Do this through a strainer to remove any lumps. Allow the hot custard to begin melting the chocolate, then stir it until completely smooth. Now melt the gelatin mixture. You can do this in a water bath stirring or in the microwave. Be careful, it's very easy to overheat the gelatin in the microwave. It should take only about 4 to 5 seconds. Pour the melted gelatin mixture into the chocolate mixture and stir until well combined. Beat the cold cream. You will beat it just until it's billowy and lightened but holds no peaks. Pour all of the whipped cream all at once into the warm chocolate mixture. You want to make sure the chocolate mixture still feels warm but is not hot, otherwise you may melt the cream. Stir until the cream is completely combined into the chocolate. You want the final mousse to be in a fluid state. Pour the mousse into a piping bag for piping into narrow glasses or molds. If you're pouring the mousse into large molds or serving bowls, you may not need a piping bag. Instead, you can just pour it directly. Chill the mousse for several hours until fully set. Once the mousse is fully set, add your favorite berries on top, a chocolate shaving or two, and some gold edible leaf for decoration. This is Chef Zach Townsend with Dallas Chocolate Classes. Watch more of my videos here. You can take an online or in-person class with me also. Just visit DallasChocolateClasses.com. Leave any comments or questions below this video and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.